If you're looking to get the most power out of your Coyote Power 2011 to 14 F150, then the MPT SF4 X4 Power Flash Tuner is the perfect add-on that'll pick up power and get the most out of their setup, whether it's a stock or fully built truck. This tuner comes preloaded with tunes for all different driving styles and situations, including 87 and 93 octane. But the real advantage of this tuner is loading a custom tune based on your truck's exact setup and allowing a tuner to optimize it based on what they see. This is how we'll get the most power out of your F-150's 5-liter. It's also extremely useful for monitoring all of your engine vitals on the fly with easy-to-read LCD display. You'll also be able to use it for reading and clearing trouble codes without needing to leave the driveway. Installing the tuner itself is extremely simple with on-screen instructions to walk you through the install. So expect a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter with a total time of about 15 minutes. The SF4 X4 tuner from SCT has a ton of features that make it super useful when mounted in your truck. The almost 3-inch full color display is easy to read day or night with the adaptive brightness setting. It can also be set to either portrait or landscape position for different mounting points. You can leave it plugged in all day with its smart power management setting that won't drain your battery when your ignition is turned off. When you start your F-150, the SF4 can be set to jump right to your specified layout of 2 to 8 gauges that'll display important information like boost pressure, coolant temp, intake temp, air to fuel ratio, and more, all live and can be data logged for later use. MPT offers 6 different tunes to choose from with different octanes from 87 to 93, as well as E30 and E85 versions. The tunes aren't just touching your engine for quicker throttle response and more power. The performance tunes will also change transmission settings that'll make your high RPM shift points faster and firmer, especially in factory sport mode. For the daily commute, there is a Perf-Econ Tune that'll give you high RPM power where you want it, but with much better MPG ratings in the lower rev range. But you should see fuel increases even with the regular performance tunes, as long as you're not flooring it at every green light. MPT also offers a post-sale data log review to see if any changes need to be made for your build. The SF4 X4 also has Wi-Fi included for future firmware updates on all tunes. With everything this tune offers, just under 450 bucks is a great value for the custom tunes and lifetime diagnostic usage and data logging. This is an investment that could pay for itself with years of use. You could save a few bucks by going with just a straight can tune, but you'll be missing out on getting a tune profile that's truly optimized for your truck based on how it's running, reviewed by tuning professionals like the guys at MPT. Switching over to the install, this is going to be a super easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should take you less than 15 minutes with no tools required. Your first step is going to be to connect this to your OBD2 port, which is located in the middle of your dash underneath your steering wheel. So we're going to connect our plug and our OBD2 port right here. Now that we're plugged in, we're at our main menu. We're going to go to the program vehicle. Once we go to the program vehicle, it's going to ask about street use. Press continue. We're going to put our key to the on position, but do not start your truck. We're going to pick our preloaded 5-liter F-150 tune. And this is where some parameters like fuel octane, intake, we're going to leave everything at stock and approve. Special options, we're going to click no, no, and then it's going to go over engine, our options or default, continue. Key is in the on position already. Now we're saving our stock data so that we can go back to our stock tune when we need to. Now it's going to apply the tune changes. And now we are downloading the tune to the ECU. Our download is complete. We can turn our key to the off position. That's my review on MPT's SF4 X4 Power Flash Tuner for the 5-liter F-150. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.